As I entered senior high for the first time, I was not quite sure what to do. I was enthusiastic but also apprehensive. It all seemed new classmate, new teacher, more difficult subject, and greatest responsibilities. It seems like a hug jump from senior high, but gradually I began adjusting, and through this process I learned more about myself. Scholarship why senior high school was really put my patience, discipline, and time management to the test. There were nights without sleep, studying for exam, arranging project, and time thinking, kaya ko pa ba? But every struggle made me thought and more mature. I realized that success is not easy. You need to work hard, keep your eyes to work hard and goal, and never lose hope, even when things seems too much to handle. But school is not just about academics. Some of the best memories I made were with my friends, eating lunch together, laughing over the smallest things, comforting each other during stressful times, and sharing each other. This moment remind me that I'm not alone. We're all in this journey together, trying our best. One of the largest realization I made as a senior high student is that growth is always formatted as awards as us. Sometimes, growth is arriving on time even when you don't feel like it. It's assessing, standing up for yourself when you're afraid, or just deciding to keep pushing forward even when things aren't going well. To my classmates, I understand it is simple, but believe me, all the hardship are molding you into a better person. Don't expedite the process, accept the journey, even when things become difficult. To our families and teachers, thank you for your guidance and support. We will be here and waiting for you. And finally, to myself and every senior high student out there, you're doing great. Keep going. The best is yet to come. Thank you.